Hey guys, today I'm going to talk to you about Cloudways, which is a hosting platform. This is actually my second time working with them. They are sponsoring this video, and I appreciate it, especially when so many of us are out there trying to hustle and bustle. So not only am I going to tell you about Cloudways, but I'm actually going to go over their affiliate program. You know, many of us start side projects and items that we are trying to find a way to monetize them. And if it's dev-related projects like most of mine are, affiliate programs are perfect, and pretty much every developer needs hosting for their web apps, just due to the nature of how web apps work, right? So we're going to dive into a little bit of that. Let's go ahead and check it out. I'd like to take a moment to thank our long-term sponsor, Dev Mountain Coding Bootcamp. I've been partnered up with Dev Mountain for a couple of years now, and I've had the chance to see multiple campuses and housing. I've been really impressed. Dev Mountain has a couple different programs from web dev to iOS development, software QA, and UX design. Some are after-hours part-time programs, and some are fully immersive programs where they actually include housing at no additional cost so you can get up and go. If you're interested in finding out more, there's a link in the description below. Now, before I get going on their affiliate program, I'd like to just highlight some of the high-level features that Cloudways has. And all this information, you can go to cloudways.com/en for English, features.php to check it out. But one feature I'm particularly a fan of, as someone who's done some freelancing and has come across this issue quite a bit, is the 24/7 365 live chat, because clients are they want you to be on top of that. Having access to a phone if you do the premium support, online ticketing, all that sort of stuff, Slack channels, things to really make your life when you have those hiccups, because no matter what you do over any period of time, you're going to come across some hiccups, and that's really nice. Now, they also have dedicated environments. You know, sometimes you're working on these projects, you're going to need multiple environments, and CDNs to load resources. Lots of great resources there. And if you are WordPress, they have that ready and set up for you, along with various PHP versions to handle all that. Now, if you're interested in managed hosting, they have dedicated firewalls and IP whitelisting, all the sort of security features that you would expect any modern hosting platform to have. Now, storage is another major concern, right? I oftentimes am storing, more than just code, resources, images, vector files, whatever it may be, so that sometimes I need these things available on the cloud. Now, pay as you go is probably another thing that it always surprises me that, people try to force contracts on you, and that's the only way, right? Pay as you go is one of the best models there are, so you don't have to sign up for any long-term contracts, and it's available globally. They have over 60 data centers, so available in your area with MySQL and MariaDB. Now, auto deployment is something that I've recently been doing in my current workplace and in my projects. I'm in the process of setting up where you have your Git repositories to auto deploy, so that you don't, you can set it up and forget it. Always have the latest version up on your account, making it so much easier, as well as staging areas, right? If you haven't worked in a production environment before, you're probably not familiar with staging areas, but so often you want to have a staging area where, let's say you're doing a big push where you're changing data, you're making some changes that you want to put out there, doing a new version, you set up in stage to make sure and stage it like you would stage a house, I guess, and then before you actually ship it to production. And of course, all the basic permission stuff that you would expect. Now, backups, making sure that you don't have any issues. Your database doesn't blow up, your hosting doesn't blow up, all that sort of stuff. You're going to have backups and WordPress CLI installed. One-click stop the app. Sometimes you just need to be able to very easily and smoothly stop what it is you're trying to do. So, multiple integrations and add-ons. Obviously, they have their own API, so if you want to do some more advanced stuff, you'll always have access to that. And then 24/7 real-time monitoring, so that you can see exactly what's going on in your web application from your hosting company. Now, they even have this link here. I kind of like this because this really shows that they're in tune with what, hey, they have some great features and functionality, but maybe they missed something. Maybe there's something you want as a client. You can reach out to them directly and let them know. So I've always been really a fan of affiliate income. one reason is it's the most passive form of income that you'll have, whether you're doing, I used it in a GitHub repo recently. I use it in my YouTube channel. I use affiliate income everywhere. And it's a great way to get started. And I think it's a non-intrusive way. So often, when people are really trying to hard sell you on something, it's not a great feeling. And, from a seller standpoint or from a client standpoint. But affiliate program, when you recommend a good affiliate product for someone who would be interested, it's oftentimes like a nice, like, oh, hey, thanks, man. And you get a little piece, and I can appreciate that. So one of the cool things about Cloudways hosting is that it's actually a pretty high affiliate income, and it's over time. So say you recommend someone to the Cloudways platform, not only do you get a upfront or a initial payment, but the longer they are with Cloudways, the longer you get paid. So you can earn up to $125 per slab or hybrid. So there's various different models that you can do: instant commissions, earning over time, and as you go and they have a couple examples here, right? So some of these are going to be relevant where you're going to be a single slab or super affiliate, right? Most of us are probably going to be in the lower to mid tier, right? So $50 per sale, that's pretty good. And then you could see over time how this might happen if you go and start working. Now, their affiliate, not only are you going to get, obviously an affiliate link that's going to be unique to you, but you'll have reporting tabs to see what's working and what projects and how that's working. All you got to do is join, and I'll include the link to this. This is a little long to remember, right? This URL is not like a little tiny URL. I'll include a link to do that, and you'll get a cookie, all that sort of stuff. It's going to work. Most people know how affiliate links work, but in case you don't know, essentially your affiliate link's going to go and say, hey, who referred you to Cloudways? Oh, Dylan referred you to Cloudways. Cool. Dylan, if they go through and they sign up, Dylan's going to get his affiliate money. So not only that, having someone this is something that's somewhat unique, because the dedicated affiliate manager is something I think is pretty cool, because I've worked with a lot of organizations, and most of the time they're just like, here's your link, get away, go. But Cloudways is actually have dedicated people who are going to be there to help and work with you, and they're going to send you promotional offers to try and give to your audience in whatever way or form that may be. You could, again, 24/7. They're really making an emphasis on making sure someone's there to answer your questions, because there's probably nothing more frustrating than trying to solve something and then getting stuck and blocked and everything else in the process. Now, real quick, before we go ahead and wrap this video up, if you want to become an affiliate, make sure you go to the link in the description below. It says easy to clicking become an affiliate. It's going to take you to the sign up page. Go ahead and do that. You can go ahead and put your information in here, email, password, describe a little bit of what it is, who you are, your hosting budget, if that's something that you're doing. Right, I usually spend between $0 to $50 a month on hosting. If you have a promo code, go ahead and include that as well. Maybe I'll get them to include one. Check the description below. See, there might be a little something for you. And then go ahead and start. It's that easy. It's going to bring you to your dashboard, and you're good to go. Hey guys, thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to check out my latest course, the 100 Front-End Interview Questions Challenge, to make sure that you ace those front-end interviews. Smash that like and subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.